Hi guys, so again I'm back to teach you this story like I'm teaching you this story, my five senses. So in last videos I have told you the few, like I have explained the five senses in one words, but I have explained you the two senses in detail. So the all three more senses I will told you right now in this video. Now, like in last videos I have told that I can see with my eyes, I can hear with my ears, I can smell with my nose, I can taste with my tongue, I can touch it with my fingers. So it means that my all senses are working and I have five senses. So here is also if whatever I am watching, I am looking, so this here we are working, we are using the sense of sight. It means I am seeing. In fact, whenever I heard a sound of anything, a sound of bird, so there we are using the sense of hearing. It means I am hearing. Then after the third sense is like when I smell soap or a pine tree or cookies just out of the oven, I use my sense of smell. I am smelling. Suppose I am teaching you here and something my mother is cooking, and then if I can smell the scent, like whatever the food is smelling, so it means that there I am using the sense of nose. It means that here my sense of smell working and I am smelling. So like whatever they smell, suppose the soap smell, a pine tree, whenever the cookies they just came out from the oven, that sense. So whatever the senses, whatever we are just smelling, so these all here we are using the sense of smell. It means I am smelling. Smelling means I am just breathing, and we can know the smell. Then the fourth is when I drink my milk and eat my food, I use my sense of taste. I am tasting. So whenever we are drinking the water, drinking the milk and eat my food, so whatever we are eating, we can put it in our tongue. It means that here we are using the sense of taste. It means I am tasting. So suppose our mother has cooking anything, and we can taste that thing, and it is just like awesome food like all. So it means what, there we are using the sense of taste. It means that I am tasting, like whatever the fast food and these all, it means like I am tasting. Here we are using the sense of taste. Then the last word is when I touch a kitten or a balloon or water, I use my sense of touch. It means I am touching. So whenever I am touching anything, like the books, like copies, like anything, if we are using, it means that there we are using the sense of touch. It means I am touching. Like suppose I am using my nose, I am using touching my just eyes. So there I am touching my finger, like hand. So these all here is what it means, that we are using a sense of touch. It means we are touching. I am touching. So these all are the five senses, like seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and touching. So these all five is very important in our daily life. Now sometimes I use all my senses at once. Sometimes I use only one. In fact, sometimes if we have the sense, then sometimes we can use all the senses at a one time. Like we can see one time, we can hearing also, we can smell also, we can taste also, and we can touch also. So we can use our five senses at once also, or we can use it at one time, one also. Now it depends the work, that what work we are doing. So it helps us, it can just help the five sense organs, so that it can help the five sense organs, that what we use here. Now I often play a game with myself. Suppose I'm just playing a game with myself, then guess what, like I guess that how many senses I'm using at that time. Like suppose if I'm playing, then I'm just looking also from my eyes, I'm talking, I'm just speaking also, I'm hearing also. Suppose I'm playing the cricket, then I'm using my hand also. So there we are using one more than sense organ. It means that we can use a sense organs not only at once. We can use my sense organs uh, uh, or in fact I use all my sense organs not only once. We can use it all the sense organs, so that it depends our work. Now when I look at the moon and the stars, I use one senses. Suppose when I am just looking, suppose at night, it's the time of night and we are looking at the moon and stars, then on that time we are using one sense. Which one sense are there? That we are using our eye sense, sight sense. It means that we are seeing. So here we are using our one sense, means I am seeing. Now after that, when I laugh and play with my puppy. So when the time when I laugh and play, I am using the four senses. How the four senses? Like suppose I am laughing, then in fact then I first sense, like we are here, we can see, we can hear, smell and touch. So here we are using the four senses. So it means what? That in any work we can use only one sense, or in any work we can use the all senses. Now after that, when I bounce a ball, I use three senses. Bounce the ball, suppose when we are bouncing, we are playing with the ball, then there we are using the three senses. Which one? Like we can see, we can hear and we can touch. So these the three senses we are using when we are bouncing a ball. Now sometimes I use more of one sense and less of another. Sometimes we can use the one sense, or sometimes I can use the more than one sense organ. So it depends of the work, that which work we are doing. Now but each sense is very important to me. In fact all the senses is very important to me, very important to you also, because it makes me aware. To be aware is to, in fact it makes me aware, so that so knowing the something around us. And for that there is some short poem, 4 to 3 short poems are there, that I will tell you in the next videos. So please watch the next videos, and in next video I will give you the word homework, the word, so that you can find out their meaning from the dictionary, and you should write down it in your course copy and in good handwriting. So please watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.